Hey y'all, it's that time again. We are in week 6 and we're gonna do some cooking together. This week we're doing Mexican breakfast bake. It's just kind of like a twist on the Amish breakfast casserole that we did last week. I'm also gonna do some roast beef BLT wraps for lunches, and then a 1-pot pasta and meat sauce. I kept it really simple this week because I have Thanksgiving later this week, and so I didn't want to be stuck in the kitchen doing a bunch of cooking when I had to do a bunch of cooking for Thanksgiving. So anyway, all of the recipes are going to be down in the description below. So if you're interested in those, check them out. If you are interested in a detailed calorie and macro breakdown of everything I ate this week, I will also link my fitness profile below. Or if you're just interested in the breakdown on the meals that I cooked, you can check out my Instagram. If any of these recipes sound good to you, go ahead and hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. I post cooking and weight loss videos every week. So make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss any of my content. All right, guys, let's get cooking.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just want to go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't want to be stuck in boring conversations with you. I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
All right, we're gonna start this Mexican breakfast casserole. Got some eggs, some Colby Jack cheese, green onion, chorizo, some shredded hash browns, cottage cheese, and fire roasted diced tomatoes with chilies. Let's do this.
I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I don't want to be trapped in a box. I just want to go my own way. 'Cause I am on my way. 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 I am on my
From my window, sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. marathon, KG saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room.
Hey y'all, I just thought I would do a little taste test on this egg bake for y'all. So it's kind of a recipe of my own creation, so I made some improvements. I like this way better than last week. The one last week was very one note. This is good. The one last week, honestly, I couldn't eat without putting a ton of hot sauce all over it. This one I could eat on its own. I mean, it's still good with hot sauce. And it could still use less potato, if I'm being real. But, like, I just used what was left in the bag because I didn't want to have a bunch of potatoes sitting in my fridge the week of Thanksgiving. So, give it a try. Really good. Just getting ready to throw together my lunch. I've got some baby spinach, some spinach and herb carb balance mission wraps, half an avocado, 2 ounces of roast beef. That's the in-house roast beef from HEB. It's amazing. I normally use red onion, but I forgot to buy one this week, so I've got some green onion left over, 2 pieces of bacon, some Roma tomato, and this week we're going to try some Philly whipped chive cream cheese instead of mayo, which sounded really good to me. And then we're going to have some Ritz Crisp and Thins because I wanted something salty and crunchy. Let's put this together. Alright. Just going to warm this bacon up a little bit in a pan. Just makes it easier to manage. You're not having to bite through stringy beef. I mean, it's not stringy, it's super moist and happy, but realized that I got that chive cream cheese, so I probably don't need the onion, which is probably why I didn't buy it in the first place, but I got it out. I like a little bit of oniony bite in my sandwich. You look like a jellyfish. I'm gonna overstuff this thing. That's ridiculous. Oh well, it'll be delicious. If not, a little difficult to eat. And I want 30 grams of these. Come on, friend. try this wrap. That's really good. I decided to eat a little pickle. Yep. Make this. Let's go. Alright, y'all. So we're getting ready to start this one pot pasta. I've got 2 kind of partially empty bags of pasta that I'm going to finish off. And then I've got some ground beef, and then some garlic powder, some dried minced onion, and some Italian seasoning, and just some jarred tomato sauce. I am gonna modify this recipe a little bit. It's an Instant Pot recipe and it's just not necessary. I'm just gonna do it in one pot on the stove, and I am modifying the amount of pasta. I feel like it's a lot of meat and sauce for only 8 ounces of pasta, so I'm gonna be doing 12 ounces of pasta and increasing it to 6 servings instead of 4. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoy it.
It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? Will you knock me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested.
Alright, y'all. I'm gonna try out this pasta. I've already eaten it a couple of times this week, but I forgot to film it. So looks pretty good. If you don't like straight up tomato sauce, and you have the extra calories, you could add some fat-free half and half to this and a little bit of parm, and it would be really good. Obviously this week I'm keeping my calories down because I'm saving up for my Thanksgiving meal. So, but this is really good. You should give it a try, and it's just so easy. It's just so easy. One pan, easy to clean up, easy to throw together. Make it. It's good.
Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you.
Alright guys, that's it for this week. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Also, if you're interested in seeing how much weight I lost this week, in spite of Thanksgiving, make sure you're subscribed and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my content. Alright, thanks for watching guys. See you in the next one. Bye. This week, if you... Right there, honey.